Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Moroccan hummus. We'll start by gathering the essential ingredients that give this dip its distinctive flavor. Then, I'll guide you through the simple preparation steps, ensuring your chickpeas are perfectly ready for blending. Finally, we'll explore the unique spice blend that truly defines an authentic Moroccan hummus, making it a delightful addition to any meal. To begin, grab one 15-ounce can of chickpeas. Make sure they are drained and rinsed thoroughly. Next, measure out 2 tablespoons of creamy tahini, 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Don't forget your spices: 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. These are your flavor foundations. Now it's time to bring everything together. Place all your prepared ingredients into a food processor. Blend until the mixture becomes wonderfully smooth and creamy. You might need to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time, to achieve your desired consistency. Finally, taste your hummus and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt or lemon juice as needed for perfect balance. Your delicious Moroccan hummus is now ready to enjoy. For beautiful presentation, drizzle a little olive oil over the top and sprinkle with some fresh chopped parsley. This vibrant dip pairs wonderfully with warm pita bread, crunchy fresh vegetables, or even as a spread in sandwiches. It's a versatile and healthy addition to any meal. Also, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.